Today I'm making an easy stromboli using puff pastry. It starts of course with one sheet of puff pastry. I do roll it out a little bit to be about 12 by 16 inches. Then layer some meat on it. I layer about 1/2 the length of the longest side with first ham, then salami, then of course we have to add some cheese, then just simply roll it up. You then transfer it seam side down to a parchment lined baking sheet and tuck under those ends. I'm going to show you from another angle because this is kind of important so the cheese doesn't all just ooze out of this as it bakes. You can kind of stretch puff pastry, tuck it in, and make a really good seal on the end of that stromboli. Then with an egg wash, simply brush all over the pastry with a pastry brush. The egg wash is 1 egg with a tablespoon of water. Just beat it together and make a nice smooth wash. This then is ready to bake, and we will bake it at 400 degrees for 25 minutes to get this incredibly beautiful golden brown crust. Let it sit for about 10 minutes before you cut into it. The cheese will still be ooey, gooey, and oh so melty. I hope you give this a try because if you do, I know you'll love it. Enjoy.